Welcome to our guide on how to prevent everyone from sending media in a Telegram app group on PC. Let's walk through the steps to manage group permissions effectively. To start, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, navigate to the specific group you wish to manage within the Telegram app. Once you're in the group chat, locate and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen to access additional options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Group, and then choose Permissions to access the group's permission settings. Within the permissions settings, find the option labeled Send Media and make sure to disable it by toggling it off. This action will prevent everyone in the group from sending media files. By following these steps, you can easily configure the group permissions in your Telegram app group on PC, ensuring that media sharing is restricted to designated members only. Disabling the Send Media permission helps maintain control over the type of content shared within the group, promoting a more focused and organized communication environment. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Telegram group management experience and optimize communication within your communities. Implement these steps to restrict media sharing in your Telegram app group on PC, fostering a more streamlined and efficient group dynamic. Happy managing your Telegram groups on PC. Happy managing your